Hello guys, so what you see, welcome back to the NFX 2025. Kung ngayon, may upcoming song na sa mga copyright. Meron tungkol sa mga 2025 to mas malayo pa na sa years ng 2030. Kahit malapit na. Alam ko namin kung sino ang 2025. Kaya follow at subscribe ngayon sa mga channel ng video. Ngayon, let's start now sa mga video. Yeah, it's alright.
Let's go. I can see my future in the second
Okay.
bright. Now I move to the light. I was born tonight.
Let's
But
go,
I move for
baby.
a fight, not a new sight. Left, right. Everybody roll the dice. No regrets when I finally leave. I'll finally be the final. Be a better me. My destiny is to invest in me. A quest to be the best. Yeah, I let you free. From a world that's sleeping and so wounded. I got dreams and they feel so lucid. I got dreams that they
Parang
think
siya
I'm
may
stupid. It's alright, see it
300.
back 'cause I do this. I don't take this life for granted. My mind is fading. It's
300
time for a fight. Command of the war. I want more. Yeah, I said I want more. Took a life full of hooks. Time to even the score.
Oh yeah, bangers. Brian Savage. Let's go.
Take a deep breath in. Can you feel that? That's one in a billion, wait, one in a trillion. A life is ain't given, a life is worth living. I don't wanna miss it, I'll get up and get it. Cause I got a vision, I got ambitions, I got the energy, I'm on a mission. Passion and purpose, they like the ignition. I made a decision, so listen up. I'm here to take a stance.
You
Look
don't
at
get
me,
to
I'm taking from underground. I'm here to take a chance. Never let fully count all the ones around.
Do you believe? Better get deep, better get deep, other than deep, better get deep, better get deep, better get deep. Oh yeah. Saya naman si Brian Savage. Whoa. Smackdown. Armored
Forget all matters. We all die, but my soul takes a whole new chapter.
Armored kay si Steve. Nakaisuot naman ang braso niya. Armored kay Aerobrite. Kaya naman si Trainimeter. Oh my god. Tapos na rin ang trailer. Lagi mo na siya maglaban sa mga stick war. I just need to wake up! Oh! Knockdown pa rin! WWE! Sakat pa rin yung puka. Ang galit! Ang galit ito. Boom! Oh yeah! Hey! Tapos na rin! Yeah! Oh yeah, guys! Tapos na rin ng Wake Up by Nefex. Your back is Nefex 2025. Bryce, let's go! Ang Warriors natin ay makipaglaban sa mga Stick War Legacy. Guys, maraming salamat po sa inyong mga subscribers at followers. Kaya 20 to 15 followers and subscribers. 20 subscribers at saka 15 followers. So, pagkipag nanood ng Nefex 2025 sa attendance, lagyan mo na attendance si Bryce Savage. Kaya i-check mo ng person. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Maraming salamat po sa inyo, guys, sa mga subscribers at followers. Bye.